agenda item was as tabled. What is since changed is that it has been modified to send on leave those of the officials who are indicated in the matter before us on leave, only those who are signatories. The amendment arises out of the need to manage the matter as best possible with minimum disruption to council business. Any attempt to have sent a bigger number of our officials on this leave would have derailed council services along the way. So we find ourselves in a situation where only the signatories are now the ones who are proceeding on leave. There is an intention to manage the process as follows. Firstly, I will be accompanied by the chief whips of both political parties in the council to a meeting with the minister to present our position as council. We will initiate a process of evaluating what we consider are the findings, which will be tabled before the Audit Committee and also the Human Resources Committee. To an extent, the matter of the special audit report from the minister could be considered sufficient raw material to minimize further work, which gives us the speed with which we wish to bring closure to this matter. We are looking at within 2 and 3 weeks to have managed the processes before us. That to me is what I would say I'm taking out of the meeting we're coming out of. I will take a few questions.
What are the signatories?
Okay. The signatories are the town clerk, the chamber secretary, and the finance director, and the human capital director. As you are aware, the chamber secretary is already on suspension, so she is also covered in terms of not being in office during this period.
What are the conditions of this leave?
They are proceeding on leave with full pay.
They can come here.
No, they are not allowed to.
That original is minus Ncube
And Dr. Josephine. 4 chief whips. So they are in my office right now. Straight after this, I'm meeting with them, and we will request a meeting with them in the minutes. Yes, I have to admit the brand is under attack, it's under assault. What I commit to the media and the stakeholders is nothing but the truth. We are not managing people, we are managing processes. There's nothing personal, there's nothing political about whatever we're trying to do. We want a council that runs correctly, where accountability and trust are at the highest levels. We're not working on individuals and on personalities, yeah, sure.